activate the grid and turn on snapping. Change the color and disable the stroke by clicking the X button while holding Shift. Now draw a rectangle. This is for the display of the laptop. Now draw another rectangle and make the corners rounded. Now change the color. Select the gradient tool and give one side of the gradient the darker color and the other side the lighter color. Now select the pen tool, fill the gap. Duplicate the rectangle. Now resize the rectangle and make the corners rounded for the display and change the colors. Now select the pen tool and draw the keyboard. You can hold down Ctrl and draw a straight line with the pen tool. Now change the color. Give this a darker color. Now let's draw the screen elements. Draw a taskbar and change the opacity. Now draw the rectangle. Hold Ctrl and Shift to draw the rectangle from the center. Duplicate those icons and arrange them. Now draw a mouse arrow and give it a stroke of black and a color of white. Set the stroke size to your liking. Now rotate. That's how you create a simple laptop design on Inkscape. Thank you.